Here is another interesting video from Alluring 23. In today's video, I'm going to be tying a two-side ruffle. You know you're gonna like the video. Stay put as I tie the video. So here is the first step. Fold your tie backward, make a little fold to the back, and make sure it's the same length with this other side. Then you start creating your pleats accordingly. Okay, now place it here, hold the side, arrange it. You can choose to use 4 pleats, you can choose to use 5, any pleat of your choice. So you arrange it like this, hold the side. Arrange the side. Arrange it to the back. Arrange it to this other side. Leave it on the side. Then after that, you do the same thing with this other side. You make your 4 pleats. Remember I said you can choose to do 4 pleats, you can choose to do 5 pleats. So after doing my pleats, I turn it to this other side, then bring this other side to this side, then tighten it firmly. So after that, I'll pin here. Then I'll start making my pleats. You can as well pin this side, or you tell your mother to hold for you. So after that, I'll start making my ruffle. And when you are making your ruffle, you take it one step to another. So the way I'm keeping my hand, I'm using this hand to bring out the ruffle. Then now I'm going to paint I'm then also going to paint this side. Then I'll make a pleat here. So bring out the ruffle. Arrange the pleat. And pin. And pin 2 times to ensure the tie is firm. So after pinning, went ahead to arrange this other side. and I'm gonna pin. Going to pin again to ensure it's strong. So I'm done with the first ruffle. So I'm going to do a ruffle in this other side. I'm going to pin. Now join it with this one and pin. So after that, we are going to arrange the back side. Make sure the back is also looking fine and neat. So I'm going to arrange the back. Please then make sure I arrange the pleats. Then the pin it. Is it tight? Is it tight? Is it tight? Then pin. So after pin, you arrange this side. Arrange it and pin. Arrange this side also. And pin. So we are done with the back. Come over to the front. So guys, we are done with our two side ruffle. Please like, share and comment if you love the video. Thank you.